Hey guys, welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Been using my bandsaw here. It's the Bauer model from Harbor Freight, and the switch, the speed switch, it started slowing down, quit running, and the speed switch just spins. I'm hoping, because it's a little warm, but I'm hoping it's just a like a set screw or something is falling out of here. So we're just in the process of taking this apart. Phillips head screwdrivers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips. And then there's 4 Allen head screws on the top up here that look like at least 2 of those have to come out. Basically all I want to do is lift this top half of the cover off. Okay, and as you take those off, there is a washer on there, so watch for that. And it's a 5mm socket head Allen wrench. So 6 Phillips head screws, the 2 Allens, and then I'm hoping, yeah, looks like it comes right off. And there you can see the problem. And let's just hope this thing I don't actually see, doesn't have a screw hole. Let's see if you can see that. There's some two little contacts in there and the metal disc, and all that has to line back up with some stuff inside. Not terribly secure, it just snaps on there. Let's test it real quick. So, if anything, part of the problem is that doesn't want to stay in contact. Let's unplug that before we do any damage to ourselves. Doesn't really want to stay in contact very well. And what it really needs is a little support from the back side there to kind of hold everything in place. There's the temporary fix for your Bauer bandsaw. I don't know how you're supposed to say that, but probably going to do a little research and see if I can't find a different switch that we could put into this location, or because I used this particular one on a stand to use it like a upright bandsaw. So I use this one as like I said, on a stand, and I use it like it's an upright bandsaw, and I just close the switch with zip tie or a Velcro strap or something. So the handle, I don't ever really actually need the handle, so I may look and see if I can find a different, I don't even know what that would be called. It's a variable speed switch. But see if I can't find a different version of it. Mount that and an on-off switch in a box. And right now I typically use a foot pedal to control this, but that would fix that, to where you just flipped a switch and it came on and it would be all mounted to the table then. So anyway, for now it looks like maybe we got it fixed, and we'll get back to work. Hope that helps. If you've got one of these that starts coming apart, it's pretty simple to put it back together. We'll see how long that lasts. Good luck. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.